Hey, this is Maryam from Crocheting, and today we want to learn how to crochet this watermelon coaster. I use 4 colors of yarns: green, red, black, and white. 4mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started. To get started, make a magic ring with your red color. Then, make 12 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Now add 11 more double crochets inside the ring. I made all my double crochets, all those 12 double crochets. Now pull this short tail to close off the ring and make a slip stitch into that second chain that we made at the beginning of the row. We had 1 single crochet plus 2 chains as our first double crochet. Make your slip stitch into that second chain. Pull this loop, turn your project, insert your hook into that same stitch. Grab the loop and pull it through. This way, you'll hide your slip stitch. Now for the second row, make a double crochet into the same stitch. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Add 1 more double crochet into the same stitch and make 2 double crochets into every stitch all across the row. At the end of the row, you should have 24 stitches. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch, just like the first row. For the next row, make a double crochet into the same stitch and add 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. 1 double crochet in next. And continue this pattern. 2 in next, 1 in next, 2 in next, 1 in next. You should have 36 stitches at the end. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch and then cut the yarn, or you can chain 1 and then cut the yarn. Hide this short tail at the back of your project. Next row, make a knot with your white color and insert your hook into any of those stitches. And pull the white yarn through, chain 1 to secure, and make 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Then make 1 single crochet into each of those next 3 stitches. And repeat this process. 2 in next, 1 in next 3. At the end of this row, you should have 45 stitches. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. And hide this short tail at the back of your project. Next row, make a slip knot with your green and insert your hook into any of those stitches. Grab the yarn and pull it through and chain 1 to secure. And make your first double crochet into the same stitch. First double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Now add 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now make 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. And repeat this process. 2 in next, 1 in next 4, 2 in next, 1 in next 4. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. And tie this short tail at the back of your project back and forth. Now thread your needle with black and we're going to make the seeds. Start sewing the seeds any way you like. Keep sewing until you have all those seeds you want, all around the red part. When you're done, start hiding those short tails at the back of your project back and forth, and be careful because we don't want it to be visible on the right side. And we're done. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write a comment down below and support me. See you in next tutorials. Bye!